Okay, welcome back everyone. And yes, it is election day in South Africa, but we're only going to the voting stations tonight at around 7:30. So when most of the rush is over, and seeing as our voting station is very close to home, I thought why not spend some of the day coming out to Brookwood Trout Farm again to do some fishing. So I'm here for 6 hours. Got yet about 11 rods were in at about 11:30ish, more or less. I'm fishing the same pond as I fished over the weekend, and there's a few reasons for that. So I've been speaking to the owner, and I'm not too sure. I think it's a family member of his. He's been watching my videos on YouTube as well, so specifically the Kloofsig ones. So yeah, spoke to him over the weekend on the fish that's here in this pond. So according to him, there's some really nice carp in here. I don't want to give too much away for now. First want to see what I can catch from here. But yeah, I know it's just a small little pond, and I've been, on Facebook. I recently started a Facebook page, and there were some comments on there of some of the guys seeing, but it's the overseas guys, seeing some of the venues that I fish in, that it's smaller venues, and like, oh, it's garden ponds and stuff like that and so on. But you know what, I don't really care. For me, it's all about the discovery. I know these ponds are stocked ponds, but it's the same thing with the syndicate lakes, and most syndicate lakes are also it's stocked venues. So yeah, I'm very curious to see what comes out of this small little pond or dam or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, fishing here for 6 hours. I've got my left-hand rod again. It's out on my 2 fake maize, crushed boilies in a PVA mesh over some sweet corn, then also mixed in with some of bait products, stick mix. I love that stick mix. Those things are really amazing, or the product stick mix that they have. And then my right-hand rod is out on something completely different. I don't want to say too much about it now. First want to see if it works, because if it doesn't work, there's no one that's going to call me an idiot and said you should have known that. So, but we'll see if it works or not. If I catch something on it, I'll show you what it is. But yeah, I did some searching on internet and YouTube and so on, and came a few natural products that guys have been using. So yeah, I'm going to try it and see if it works. I've got nothing to lose. So yeah, let's see what the day holds. 6 hours to fish before I need to go and vote, and hopefully we can vote for some change here in South Africa. Yeah, but let's not get political. Okay, here we go, back to the rods. Okay, so first one for the day. This one fell to the 2 fake maize here in the margin. So, stop it now. Now I'm wet. And yeah, come now. Oh, sorry, it doesn't want to lie still. So yeah, okay, but first one for the day, fell here in the margin on the 2 fake maize. Yeah, with just over some sweet corn, a small PVA mesh and some crushed boilies. Yeah, luckily the day's not ending in a blank, so this is about 2 hours in, and yeah, got myself nice little angry Brookwood carp again. Yeah, the carp here are extremely healthy. You can see on the stomach on this one, it's fattening up nice for winter. So yeah, awesome, chuffed about it. Hopefully there's a lot more to come. Okay, here we go again. Oh, still angry. Okay, we're going to take a photo and put it back, and let's go again. Okay, as you guys just saw in that clip, that's one of the reasons why I'm fishing this specific pond here at Brookwood, is because of the grass carp that are in here. So believe it or not, I've never ever caught a grass carp in my whole life. So if I catch one here, it would be my first one, and then obviously then my PB for a grass carp. So that's one of the reasons why I'm fishing this pond. It's now 2:30, so I've got about you can say about 3 hours left to fish. But those 2 grass carps, they've been cruising around in that, basically just below the surface the whole day since I got here. So yeah, hopefully one of them gets a bit hungry and dive down for a little bite. But yeah, so far so good. Happy with the one I caught so far. Another one would be very nice. And then just quickly, on my previous video, I mentioned to you guys about that competition I'm having for that 1,000 Rand gift voucher. Now, I'm not going to go through everything again, but just when you send in your answer, remember it needs to be for both my kids, both their PBs, not just the one, for both of them. I want to know what their PBs are. And like I said, you can DM me or drop me an email, and you'll find my email address in the About section of my channel. But okay, so 3 hours left. Let's see what happens. Okay, so second one for the day. This one was on the right hand rod then, and that was that other hook bait that I've been trying now. Yeah, and it was nothing else than a fresh clove of garlic topped with a fake maize. And yeah, I wasn't too sure if it would do the job, but I did find some guys on the internet talking about it as a hook bait. And yeah, got myself a nice, another Brookwood carp, a bit bigger than the previous one, still not the biggest, but put up a nice fight, and here we are. Nice Brookwood carp again, hooked on a fresh clove of garlic. Awesome. Also nice and fat. Yeah, so still some time left for another one, so hopefully I can catch one more before I have to leave. Awesome. Okay, there you have it. That was the hook bait that caught the second one. Fresh clove of garlic, just chopped off at the ends, and then just skinned a little bit, topped with a fake maize on a German rig with a kicker. And yeah, that was the one that caught it. Hopefully it catches me another one. Okay, quickly want to show you guys my baits I'm using today. So other than the hook bait, there's my sweet corn mixture. It's just Koo whole kernel sweet corn from Koo out of the can, with all the juices in the can, and then topped off with some stick mix from Bait Products. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I really love this stuff. It's really amazing, especially if you want to use it with liquids and so on. In a PVA mesh, it works very well. And then in this mixture today, I've got from DB Baits, I've got their hydro liver and a little bit of hemp seed oil in the mixture as well. I've just found that in winter times I get that fishy or anything a bit more meaty works much better in winter than anything sweet and fruity. Well, that's for me. Okay, but that's the bait I've been throwing out. Let's see if it can catch me another one. Okay, so it's now 4 p.m. I actually have another hour that I can go, but seeing as I've already caught 2, I'm very happy with the day. 2 catches in 5 hours. That's more than enough for me. I'm very happy with that, especially with the fact that with that new hook bait, or not new, but yeah, just something different that I've tried now, and it was successful. So yeah, so I'm very happy with the day. So I'm gonna slowly start packing up now. Like I said, it's 4 p.m. I'm gonna get home a little bit earlier, have a shower, have a cup of coffee, and then yeah, wait for our time to go and vote. So yeah, by the time you see this video, election day would have been over by now. So I hope you guys went and you voted for change and something, change in South Africa so that things can improve. So yeah, let's see what happens while I pack up. Maybe there's that last run, but yeah, that would be nice. But if not, it's still okay. I caught 2, I'm happy. So yeah. Okay guys, if you don't see me running for the rods, it means that I didn't catch anything, but yeah, let's see what happens while I pack up. Okay, so last rod. The last rod didn't go, but that's okay. I'm happy with the session. So yeah, guys, if you came across this video, I really, and if you've watched it, I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Yeah. Till next time then, thanks for watching. Cheers. That's just me touching the rod.